Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a perfect hair treatment. I call it perfect because this treatment is really what your hair needs. If you are struggling with breakage, if your hair is dry and lacks elasticity, if your hair is brittle, then keep watching this video because your hair is going to be softer than never before. The first ingredient we will be needing for the recipe is okra. You guys know that I have made a lot of videos with okra. My hair really loves okra, and since the time I started incorporating okra to my hair care routine, my hair is more manageable than before. My hair used to be dry and it was hard, and since the time I started using okra, my hair is softer than never before. So I went ahead and cut okra into small pieces, and then I transferred to a pot, and now I'm cooking for about 5 minutes. Guys, okra doesn't take long to cook and to produce mucilage because it is rich in mucilage. So just 5 minutes, your okra is ready, and don't cook it for long so you won't destroy all the beneficial nutrients. So after cooking for 5 minutes, I let it cool down, and right now I'm gonna transfer to a blender, and I'll keep it aside for a moment. The next ingredient we will be needing is avocado. We will be needing just one avocado. um, um, Avocado is really rich in fats and natural oils, which helps to soften hair. Avocado will help to soften hair from roots to tip. If your hair is dry and it is hard, then incorporating avocado hair mask will help to soften it and also help to make your hair more manageable. So I'm just scooping the avocados. You can also use one or two avocados if you want your hair is thicker, but I don't see any need for using two because already the okra is a lot. So I just decided to use one avocado for this. After scooping it out from the shell, then I'm gonna transfer it to the okra. I will cover and I will blend this off the camera. After blending, this is how the avocado and okra paste is looking like. Right now I'm going to be straining out, and I will be using a piece of cloth. You can use your cheesecloth or any piece of cloth that you have, but make sure it has really tiny holes so that your mask is smooth with no any particles, because if it has particles, then it's going to stick to your hair, and it will be difficult for you to detangle, and it may cause a lot of tangles. So that's why it is important to use a very uh, a, mm, something with a very tiny hose. After straining out, I'm going to just throw this away. There is no use for that, and this is how it's looking like. You can see how amazing it's looking. So if you guys are new to this channel and you are still watching this video, uh, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you will be notified for a new video. So we are going to be adding coffee. So I'm just using this coffee sachet. You can use your coffee, any type of coffee you have, but make sure that it is an instant coffee so that you avoid the granules or the chunks. Do not use the ground coffee. Just make sure to use your coffee that is instant. So I stirred everything, and this is how it's looking like. Now I'm going to be adding oil. The benefit of adding oil to the mask treatment, DIY mask treatment, is to help soften your hair and also help to detangle it. So for me, adding oils to my hair mask will help. It really helps to soften my hair more and also makes my hair um, more flexible whenever I'm detangling. And this is how it's looking like. Let's proceed into the application. So this is how my hair looks. It is clean. I have already washed it, shampooed, and now it's the time to apply this mask. So I'm applying it only to the hair strands. Do not apply it to your scalp, because this is just a mask, and masks are not meant to be applied to the scalp to prevent the irritation. Sometimes I notice that whenever I apply either DIY mask or any mask treatment or deep conditioner on my scalp really itch. So it is not necessary to apply to your scalp, just to the hair strands, because the hair strands are they are what we need to soften. So I'm applying this only to the hair strands from the roots to the ends, and I make sure that each section is well coated with this mask. This mask also help to detangle because of the slip. It is high in slip, as you can see when I'm applying it. My hair is really, I can detangle my hair with fingers without any breakage. This treatment is really amazing. So using this every wash day, every time you wash your hair, will help to soften your hair naturally. Also, you will notice a change in terms of manageability. Your hair will become softer than ever before. Also, it will be tangle free once you start incorporating this kind of treatment to your hair. You can use this as a pre-poo also before washing your hair to detangle your hair and prep your hair uh, from the shampoo. So I prefer using both methods. Whichever method you choose is okay. So as you can see, I'm done applying to all my hair sections, and right now I will be using a plastic bag to cover my hair and leave it for about 1 hour and then rinse it off. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and turn on the bell notification for a new video. Thank you.